What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be checking out Revell's new releases for this year and upcoming next year for their new model kits coming out. So let's check them out and see what we got. Alrighty, so first up on the list is the Good Body 10.4 Jeep. I believe this is a 1970 Jeep pickup. This is a pretty cool one. Again, a lot of these I'm not going to see before because a lot of these are older issues, but this should be a pretty neat one, and I can't wait for it as well for it to come out. Next one on the list is the high-lower 1985 GMC Jimmy 4x4. This is a pretty cool one. This would be pretty neat. Of course, we got another Jimmy coming out. I believe AMT already has a Jimmy, but it's pretty cool. This one's coming out from Revell. I'm not sure this one's be more detailed or be more simplified kit, but who knows? It is level 4, so I'm assuming it's got a lot of detail and parts to it. So I'm looking forward to it, and this should be a pretty neat one. Alright, next up is the Hook. The 1979 GMC Wrecker. This is a good one. Revell has discontinued this kit for quite some time, and I've been wanting my hands on this kit for a long time, but there's some crazy prices on it. But this is a pretty cool one. It's a replacement of the one they had before, and I'm looking forward to it. This is a very simplified kit, I remember, but it's really good if you can really do some crazy stuff with it, which is pretty cool. Next up is the high-lower Chevy Love 4x4. This thing's actually pretty neat because we already have the lower version, which is the yellow version. This one is basically the Baja version, you want to call it, like the Baja, like 4x4 crazy thing. This is pretty cool. I'm actually looking forward to this one. Again, I believe this one might be simplified as well because the yellow one is pretty simplified, but this one might be simplified as well, but who knows. But it's going to have the 4-bar chassis, so I'm actually looking forward to it and see what it offers. Next on the list is the convertible version of the C8 Corvette. I believe this is be a 2020 version of the Corvette. We already have the coupe version, and again, we're going to have the convertible version, which is pretty cool. It's basically going to be the same kit, but with just a convertible version top and stuff. But only thing downside with this kit is you're not going to be able to see the engine, which is a disappointment. But very cool. We have a convertible version of the Corvette C8 coming out. Next up is the 2024 Ford Mustang GT. Now, this is pretty cool. This is all new tooling, but only disappointing part I heard about this kit is it's going to be a curbside, which is a level 3, 69 parts, so it'll be a low parts count. I'm not sure it's going to have an engine or not. That's what I heard, but nobody knows yet because nobody has it yet. But if it does have an engine, kudos, but it doesn't. It's kind of disappointment because it does have the 5.0 engine and stuff. But again, we do have a new 2024 Ford Mustang coming out. Next on the list is the 1985 Pontiac Fiero GT. This is a pretty cool one. Again, this one is a repop, but it hasn't been repopped in a hot minute. And this is a pretty neat one. Level 4, so hopefully this one has the engine and stuff. Be a nice detailed kit. I love the wheels on this thing. This is actually pretty cool and very cool. I never seen this car before. I never even seen a kit, obviously, because again, it's an older issue, but pretty cool. Revell's bringing it back out, and I can't wait to see how people do build it up and stuff. So should be a pretty neat one. Next on the list is the 1991 Chevy S10 Lowrider. This is pretty cool. So we got another S10 coming out, but I'm pretty sure you can't build this as a stock S10, which is unfortunately, you can only build this as the lowrider version, but it should be pretty cool. It should be a pretty neat build. Again, I'm not sure what level it is because it doesn't show the level on this picture and stuff, but again, at least we have another C10 coming out with the C10 lovers, but hopefully we can build this as like a normal C10, not a lowrider, but we'll see. We'll see what the parts offer and stuff, and it should be a pretty neat one. Alrighty, next up is 1964 Pontiac GTO. I love the GTO, love the Pontiac GTOs. I heard this kit is very detailed. I think this kit was out not too long ago, or I built this one before, but this is a really highly detailed kit. The chassis is fully detailed, nice engine. The interior, again, is fully detailed. This is going to be a fully detailed dream kit, so this should be a really nice build for the muscle car fans, but this is a really good one. I'm glad they're bringing this one back out, and yeah, so it should be really popular as well, so I'm looking forward for this one as well. Next up is the Lamborghini Revell. How the heck you want to pronounce that? Is the Italian name. So we know this kit is coming out, and I believe this is going to be a very simplified kit. Again, as you can see here, level 3, so I guarantee there's gonna be no engine here. If not, if they just have like a top view engine, but other than that, it's gonna be a very simple kit. So I'm not expecting too much of this one. It's be really easy, basically easy click system as well. So I wish they made this one as full detailed as well, but who knows? It's just gonna be our easy click system, but it'll be a nice quick easy build for you guys as well. Next up is the Revell Germany Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR. This is a pretty neat one. This is a really nice kit. Now this one is going to be a full-on detailed dream. As you can see, 124 parts. So engine, interior, I believe it's going to have opening doors by the art box. I mean, this is going to be a really detailed kit. This is a really beautiful car in person. Like, I've never seen one before, but I know it is going to be such a beautiful car in person. And one of the most high, really pricey car as well. So pretty neat. This should be a really nice build as well. Next up is going to be McLaren's 750S. Pretty cool car. This is actually a really nice car in person. I did actually see one of these in my life, and they're beautiful cars. But again, this one I believe is going to be very simplified, 124 scale, only 100 parts. So again, scale of 3. So it's going to be another simplified kit. I wish Revell can make these kits super detailed, because this is going to be a nice build if it made a lot more parts. Who knows? I'm not even sure it's going to have the engine or not, but whatever. We got another current coming out from Revell. And next up is the Bugatti EB110. Pretty cool one. This is going to be a really nice kit. This is a repop. This is not new tooling at all. This is level 5, 183 parts. So this is going to be a full-on kit, which is fantastic, which means it's going to have that beautiful, I believe this has the V16 engine. I mean, full-on detailed interior chassis. Who knows about the chassis, but this is going to be a really nice build. I can't wait to get my hands on this kit, because I've been wanting one of these Bugattis for a good minute. So this should be a good one. And last but not the least is the BMW M3 E30. Another good kit, really nice easy kit. Another simplified kit as well, level 3, 124 scale, and 60 parts only. So again, probably no engine, but other than that, we have another BMW coming out. I'm not really a big Beamer guy, but this is a pretty cool one. I love these older ones of BMW, but this should be a nice build. A nice quick easy build. It might be curbside, but it should be a good one overall. And there we have it, guys. That is the new kits coming out from Revell that has been leaked, and everybody knows is out on the internet right now. So that's what we have so far from Revell news. Maybe a lot of these kits are probably coming out mid or late this year, 2025 to early 2026. So expect these kits come out soon, but pretty cool. Let me know which one you're looking for down below. I'm looking for a lot of them actually, but they're really nice kits. I wish Revell was making the supercars with full-on detailed engines. In the Ford GT, it's kind of shame they're doing a snapped kit, but you gotta make it easy for the kids as well. But pretty cool, and that's it for this video, guys. Take it easy.